Hello viewers, I am Dr. Prerna Shah, faculty as a consultant gynecologist and obstetrician and high risk pregnancy specialist and infertility specialist. I will be talking about high risk pregnancy, this interaction. So what is high risk pregnancy? We need to first understand what is high risk pregnancy. That pregnancy is affecting mothers or fetus and newborns health, which may endanger their life. So that is called an high risk pregnancy. This kind of pregnancies are categorized in different ways, like when pregnancy is associated with already presenting hypertension, diabetes mellitus or any kind of metabolic disorder, anemia, coagulation disorder, which means that there is difficulty in coagulation in that particular patient, renal disorders, that means some kidney disease, heart disease, any other physical conditions which may require help of physician during pregnancy and expert obstetrician. The other things are like babies having some abnormalities, anomalies, some genetic disorders, and mother's uterus is having fibroid, then cervix is not competent to carry the baby for 9 months. Some patients are having bad obstetric history, means they are having previously recurrent abortions, recurrent pregnancy failures, recurrent intrauterine deaths, or Rh negative mother. And especially in this era it is very common then when the mother's age is like beyond 40 and pregnancy has conceived with IVF treatment like that, and very young patient like less than 20 years of age is also categorized in high risk pregnancy. This kind of pregnancies may carry different risks throughout pregnancy. So patients who are having some medical disorder or some history of previous surgeries or some having some anomalies in the baby, they require expert gynecologist who can give treatment throughout 9 months. And these pregnancies are not like routine antenatal pregnancies. They are having different kind of protocols, like we call patients very frequently for the close observation, like every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. We need combined approach of physician, gynecologist and neonatologist, and of course the center should be little bit with the higher facilities with NICU facilities and ICU facility for the mother, because when the preterm pregnancies get delivered at the very low birth weight, baby may require NICU setup also. A patient requires the different doctors and the whole team is available at Motherhood Women's and Childcare Hospital. We are dealing with such high risk pregnancies day to day with the all facilities. And high risk pregnancy can be preventable when it is associated with the preconceptional care. That is very important because we know prevention is always better than cure. So we are providing that platform for the couples who are seeking for the preconceptional care, and we provide the same kind of high risk pregnancy treatment also. So I really congratulate Mediflame people who are having provided this platform of online consultation for the patients who are not comfortable to go out during pandemic. I really thankful to them that they are giving us opportunity that we can interact with the patients online. Thank you so much.